Hello everyone, this life mechanic. Welcome to my channel. Please, if today is the first time of watching my video, I'd like you to subscribe, like and comment. Turn on your notification for more video. Thank you. Today I want to discuss about 1ZZ engine. As you can see the video is Toyota Corolla. I'm fixing the engine. This is the steering box right now. I'm fixing. Turn on your notification, like and subscribe for more video. Thank you. This is the steering rack that I'm tightening. This is the steering box. As you watch this video to the end, I will show you the video that I fixed the engine. Here the engine is on the ground. This engine is just brought from outside country. So when I'm finished, I'm done fixing the engine. You watch the video here, watch it to the end. Thank you. This is the engine. This is the that's adjuster roller. That's adjuster. Fan belt adjuster. This is the water pump. That's the water pump. That's thermostat. Cool start. That's cool start. Sorry. That's flywheel. This flywheel. Watch it to the end, and then you'll see. And this is the engine in the engine room. This is the engine room. I've mounted the engine already. So this is the engine. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. This is alternator. This first one is alternator. Alternator, compressor, water pump. Thank you. Like and subscribe, comments for more videos. I'll drop more updates on my channel. Turn on notification. Thank you.